If you are looking to recruit a power team, you obviously do care. So connect with your employees. And this will be the largest ROI you have ever seen in your business. I guarantee it. Recruiting the right people can make or break your business. So today I'm going to reveal to you the 5 do's of recruiting. The key to your company's growth is your team. So I was so bad at recruiting and training new recruits, and that's ultimately why I got so good. When I first started hiring people for my company in my early 20s, for some reason, I could only find really incompetent employees. Have you ever felt this way? Well, if so, gotcha. So this may come as a shocker to some of you, but as Taylor Swift says, "Hi, I'm the problem, it's me." So let's get to the 5 do's for recruiting. You're gonna love this. So this actually resulted in countless team members being with me for over 2, 5, 8, even 16 years. And I really want the same for you because loyalty is priceless. So let's hit it. The first do of recruiting is do hire before you need the position filled. So it's better to have a deep bench than to overwork your current employees. The worst thing you can do for your current staff is to ask them to do jobs that are above and beyond their current role and pay, especially if that is for an indefinite amount of time. Short term is okay, but it's really not ideal. So here's the secret. A lot of business owners try to equate an employee overworking as some kind of loyalty to you and your company. And I have really seen quite the opposite. Overworking leads to regret, sloppy work, and eventual burnout. So ideally, you will hire before the role needs to be filled. So that way your current employees or yourself, if you're a solopreneur, have ample time to train correctly. So see my videos on team training for why. The second must-do for recruiting a power team is when interviewing a possible new hire, put yourself in your client's shoes. First, what role are you hiring this person for? Then, what specific clientele will this new hire be communicating with on a regular basis? Would your client enjoy talking to this person? Would your client buy from this person? Would your client's lives be improved by this person? So these are the questions to highly consider when you are hiring someone. So remember, you are hiring to better serve your clientele. So look at your potential new hire through your client's eyes rather than your own eyes. So many entrepreneurs make this mistake, costing them the growth of their business, and I don't want that to happen to you. The third must-do for recruiting a power team is you must look for potential growth. So this is actually horrible advice if you're dating. Take it from me. A dating experts say don't look at the potential of growth of someone. Look at exactly what they are showing you right now. However, when hiring talent, don't think you need to hire someone that is fully prepared for the position. They need to have background and experience in what they are doing, but let possible recruits know you don't expect them to know everything. You will fully train them for their position. Most times, hiring an eager person willing to work and train and is looking for mentorship so they can grow is a better hire than someone with lots of experience stuck in their ways of doing things. You can help the new hire grow, learn, and develop, and in turn, this is what will result in loyalty. So they will be thankful to you for believing in and investing in them. The fourth must-do for recruiting a power team is, when interviewing, remember they are extremely nervous. Create a laid-back, personal interview experience so they can relax as much as possible. You want to see more sides of them besides the nervous interviewing side. So get them to laugh and open up, and you can do this by being open yourself and being vulnerable. Show them that you really care about them and their life outside of work right off the bat. If you are looking to recruit a power team, you obviously do care. So connect with your employees. And this will be the largest ROI you have ever seen in your business. I guarantee it. And finally, the fifth must-do for recruiting a power team is have a clear explanation of the position you are hiring them for. This seems simple, But so many times people hire for a vague position with vague job responsibilities. This is setting the new hire up for failure. So in the first interview, you can explain or show what a typical day for them would look like. And then if you really like them on the first interview, go ahead and invite them back to do a full day working interview. This will consist of sitting side by side, shadowing someone in their similar position. Take them to lunch or have the person they are shadowing take them to lunch as well. Get to know the person as much as possible. Delve into their life outside of work, personal growth habits, hobbies, future goals. You really want to get to know this person. So treat your new potential hire as a potential new collaborator. Of course, you want the best for them. Sharing your enthusiasm will help them let their guard down so that you can build a rapport with them right from the beginning. At the end of the in-person interview, they should feel like an immediate culture fit, and the feeling should be mutual. It's exciting times now. It's time for the formal job offer. I wish I could give you everything I know right now, but for more tips on how to create a power team for your company culture, reach out to us at wealthfactory.com so you can take more off your plate and add more joy to your life. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Don't miss out on a single Wealth Factory tip, like this next one with proven ways to build your wealth.